Hey, what's up guys? I hope you guys are enjoying my video that I just made of my 2018 traveling adventures. Sorry. So I don't normally do this. I'm doing a review and basically I'm doing this so I could get your opinions of which cologne that I should get in full size. So I have 10 samples here. My sister gave me a great gift. And they're basically 10 different free samples of cologne, and they're pretty good. And there are some well-known brands like Prada, Burberry, and I need your help to decide which one I should get in full size. So here are the 10 choices that I have. I'll show you right now. So I have the Allier cologne. It's a vanilla scent. I have the, let me get some better line, there we go. I have a Burberry, Mr. Burberry Indigo. Right here is the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense pour Homme. And this one, kind of mad at whoever gave me this gift, but they gave me an empty Giorgio Armani Acqua di Giro Absolute, so I guess they didn't really want me to get this one. So I really have 9 choices. I have the Givenchy Gentleman. I have the John Varvatos, the Artisan Pure. I have the Paco Rabanne 1 Million Lucky. I have the Prada Luna Rosa Black. I have the Versace Dylan Blue Per Homme. And then I have the Saint Laurent Y. Alright, so those are my choices. And here we go right here. These are the 10 choices I have. And obviously the Giorgio Armani, I mean, it's empty, so I'll throw that away. So these are my... Alright, and we are back. So those are my 9 choices. Sorry, every time my GoPro just wants to give me the SD card error, and I basically have to turn it off and turn it back on. I hate when that happens. But let's get to it. So, you guys saw my 9 options of cologne that I can choose from. From Sephora. This is not an paid advertisement by Sephora. My sister just gave me an awesome gift. I thought she just gave me a traveling bag, that basically a personal hygiene travel bag, because I do a lot of traveling for work, so that's what I thought she was giving me. But it was basically 10 mini sample sizes of cologne that I could choose from, and I could go to Sephora and redeem it for a full-size cologne. So there you have it. 9 options that I could choose from, and the first one is Atelier Cologne, the vanilla scent. I think I tried this one on yesterday and it was pretty good. Let's see. Oops, sorry. So far this is probably my favorite. I like it. It smells like vanilla. And this one, Burberry. This one also has a really good scent too. It's basically supposed to be aromatic, crispy air. It has violet, leaf, and spearmint oil with some lemon and rosemary. So it's a combination of so many. Sorry, I think I sprayed it on my GoPro, so my GoPro is gonna smell like cologne right now. So I like this one right here. I like this one so far. I think this probably might be my top choice, my number 1 choice so far. The Burberry, Mr. Burberry Indigo. Alright, so the third one is I have to take the cap off because I can't spray it. So this one, it's also very crisp, has a really good smell, very smooth. So indigo blue, so that's like blue water, blue sea. I like the description that they have here. It's basically dives deeper into the blue sea, more intense than ever in freshness and signature. I like it. It's probably number 2 so far. See, I'm looking for something that smells really good, that stands out. I recently got the Hermes like white earth terre. I think that means earth. I'm not quite sure. But that one's really, really good. So I actually like this so far too. It's probably my number 2 choice. And so the next one is a Gentleman Givenchy, Paris. So this is actually fruity. This has a fruitiness to it. Earthy, woody. Okay, I guess it's not fruity, but yeah, earthy, woody. Again, I'm not a professional cologne reviewer. I'm just trying something different. You know, it's still 2019. I like to make travel videos, but I got this awesome gift, and I need your help to choose which one I should get. So, actually, this one's not that bad. It's probably, I think I'd put this maybe at number 2, actually. Right behind my Mr. Burberry. All right. The next one is a John Varvatos Artisan Pure. John Varvatos. All right. I really don't like this one. This is actually not good. So we'll put this one over here. All right, next one is the 1 Million Lucky by Paco Rabanne. Paco Rabanne, right here. 1 Million Lucky. This one, so basically says, actually, it's also earthy and woody, just like Givenchy. Luck is on. You only live once. YOLO. So might as well enjoy it like the luckiest person alive. 1 million lucky right here. So it's actually not that bad. I'm going to put it, I might put this at number 2, actually. It actually smells pretty good. I like it. All right, the next one is Prada. You guys know Prada from bags. And also Devil Wears Prada, the movie. But this one is the Black Luna Rosa. Ooh, right here. All right. So, I have a fresh area to smell this thing. All right. It's actually pretty fresh. So it's a fusion of bergamot and angelica with patchouli and coumarin heart, all reinforced by musk and ambergris. It's supposed to be warm and spicy. That's the scent family, warm and spicy. So actually, this smells pretty good, but you know, if I want to just explore something that is just out of the ordinary, something fancy, I'll probably go with the Prada Black Luna Rosa. It's actually not bad, but I still like the Mr. Burberry and the 1 Million Paco still. But I'll probably put this at number 4 probably. I do like the Dolce & Gabbana, but sadly it's going down. The list is moving down. Alright, so this is the Versace Pour Homme Dylan Blue right here. This is also earthy and woody. So I'm seeing a pattern right now with the earthy and woody scent family. Apparently this is an expression of a man's strength. So this is supposed to be a manly cologne right here. But it's not bad. I like it. And Versace is it's a good company, good brand. Alright, so the last one is the Saint Laurent Y. It's probably has the shortest title. Y. Alright. So this is also, guess what it is, guys? It's in the earthy and woody scent family. So far, the only one that I don't like is the John Varvatos. So we could just throw that over there somewhere. All right. So if you guys can help me out of these 8 choices, I like this one so far, and the Y is actually not bad. I mean, all the earthy and woodies are also pretty good. I do like the Dolce & Gabbana one, but it's not as good in my opinion as the Mr. Burberry, the One Man Lucky. I also like the Gentleman Givenchy, and also the Saint Laurent Y is actually pretty good. So they're all really, really good choices. So if you guys want to comment below and give me your opinion on any of these, really 9, 10, really 10, any of these 10, but I really like 8 of them, and one of them, they gave me an empty bottle. I threw it somewhere. Actually, it's right here. The Giorgio Armani. But they didn't give me one because it's empty. So I'll just throw it over there somewhere. So guys, thank you for this. Thank you for watching, first of all. I don't normally give out reviews, but this is really not a review. Well, it kind of is a review, but you're really helping me out decide which cologne I should get in full size. So comment below your thoughts, your opinions, and your advice on which one I should choose. But thank you for watching, guys. And if you haven't done so yet, please like this video. Also, if you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below to get notifications of any future videos that I will put out in the future. And tomorrow I'm actually going to Asia, and stay tuned for more videos, guys. Thank you for watching.